is Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
First up tonight at 11 o'clock, team coverage of the nor'easter hitting our state. More rain and wind all across the region today. In Manchester tonight, residents still worried about getting hit with another round of flooding as they are still cleaning up from damage after Henri.
Ambassador Drive, which washed away 2 months ago during that storm, still has not been fixed. So you can only imagine what they are going through tonight. Meteorologist Mark Dixon and Channel 3's Sharon Johnson are live to show us what it's like in your area. Let's get right over to Mark, though, for the latest track on this storm. Mark.
Yeah, Mark, Aaron, happy to report that the worst of the rain kind of behind us now. And while it's been moving through, certainly producing a lot of it and at times quite heavy and really adding up. Across interior portions of the state, say the northern half of Connecticut, an 1.5 to 2 inches there. But check out coastal and southern Connecticut. We've had pockets of 3 to 4 inches with even locally higher amounts. So we are still going to see more rain through the overnight hours. It's just going to be much lighter and it tapers off to a scattered shower as we head toward daybreak. With regard to that heavy rain, we have had some river flood warnings. We've got the Still River at Brookfield, also the Housatonic River at Stevenson Dam. Only minor flooding forecast there, likely falling back below flood stage as we head into Thursday. We still have a flood watch up for our northern 4 counties, but again, the overall threat for more flooding will be decreasing. You can actually see on early warning pinpoint Doppler, and this is animating over the last 30 minutes to show the progression from east to west. Notice the absence of yellows, oranges, and reds. We're just looking at shades of green, which indicates a lighter, more gentle rain that's kind of scattered in variety as it makes its way across Connecticut. So a little bit wider view here. You can actually see the storm center of this nor'easter, that big counterclockwise spin there that's actually heading from east to west in the direction of Cape Cod and the islands. So that's going to spread more rain across Connecticut tonight. Again, nothing too terribly heavy, but as that storm center gets closer to us, our winds actually are beginning to intensify. You can see across Connecticut, wind gusts currently between 25 and 35 miles an hour out of the north. So our wind advisory remains in effect for coastal Connecticut and a good part of eastern and southeast Connecticut. In fact, southern New London County under a high wind warning. That's where we could perhaps see some wind gusts between 50 and 60 miles an hour. So we could see a few more power outages as we make our way through the overnight hours. So you can see on Futurecast, we've got the rain overnight, but notice again as we head towards 6, 7 o'clock in the morning in time for the commute, the rain becoming lighter and more tapered in variety. And then by tomorrow afternoon, just a cloudy day. And as we make our way through the day tomorrow as well, the wind, while it's going to start strong, will start to decrease a bit as we head through the afternoon. It's going to be a raw one. Temperatures in the morning within a couple degrees of 50 and only reaching the mid to upper 50s by the afternoon. So we'll have much more on this storm, plus a little bit of a break, some brighter weather before another storm moves in. Poorly timed for the Halloween weekend. We'll have much more on that ahead in the early warning 7-day.
Okay.